Hi there, Lisa Rana here from Dollhouse Designs, sharing a card today featuring the Sometimes I Wonder stamp kit from Unity Stamp Company. Don't you just adore the cute hand-drawn images and lots of fun sentiments hidden in this kit? Today's card is all about sending a happy hello with a surprise card layout. It's a great basic design that you can use over and over again. I'm starting out by stamping my cute little birdie with some Memento ink, which is Copic friendly, and then grabbing 4 colors of Copics to color this cute little guy in. It's just some simple coloring. I'm using R20 for a pink, BG10 for a blue, G12 for a green, and N1 for just a little bit of shading. And just coloring in the little flowers and the greenery here. And then at the end, I'm using the N1 to add a little shadow to the body of the bird, around the belly, a little bit around the wings. And that's pretty much it. Just really quick and easy coloring. So once that's done, I'm going to grab my scissors here and just fussy cut him out. He's super easy to cut around. I'm leaving a little bit of a white edge just to help him pop against the background of the card. So now I have my elements ready. I'm going to place down my circle die cut in the corner of my die cut panel here and just lay things out how I think they will be on the card, just so I have an idea of how big that circle cutout should be. Once I'm happy with my design, I'm putting some washi tape down and running that through my die cut machine. And once we take away that circle die cut, it's kind of fun to see that big chomped out image. And that's where all our little elements are going to go. Before I pop this up on my card, I'm going to tie a little bow with some string here at the top and then pop it up on my card base, which I've already covered with some matching pattern paper. My sentiment's already embossed in white on some gray cardstock, and I'm just going to pop that up at the bottom of my card here, and then pop up my birdie as well, again with some more foam adhesive. Just creates some dimension down in that cutout corner of our card. So here he is, popped up and ready to go. The last thing I'm going to do is add some cute pink die cut hearts, just using some Tombow mono adhesive to glue those down. I just love the little bit of movement and cuteness these little hearts create. And then to finish it all off, I'm using a clear Wink of Stella just to add a little bit of sparkle and shine to the hearts and also to the bird. Again, just another little accent to make your card a little bit special. Plus, who doesn't love a little bit of bling and sparkle? So here is the finished card with that fun corner cutout to highlight our cute bird and sentiment. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you liked it. Plus, if you have any questions or a sweet comment, post below. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.